Don't try this at home. We're not professionals.
Not by any means, but hopefully you can learn from our mistakes. Hey guys, and welcome back to House Renovations. Now I know we've been on a little bit of a hiatus, so let me quit jabbering here and let me send you to the hostess with the mostest, the Ghost. Episode 2.5. Hey guys, and welcome back to House Renovations after an almost, 6 months hiatus. This is going to be a little bit different of an episode. These are some clips that we filmed back in January that we were going to actually do, but life be lifing. So enjoy House Renovations Chapter 4, Episode 2.5. So there were a few things we wanted to get started on before we got into the meat and potatoes of the renovation in the back room. The old man wanted to figure out where he wanted to put his electrical. He wanted to fill in the gaps that were in the end caps of that wall near the window so that it wouldn't leak or anything like that, and it was airtight. But let me show you. All right, old man, what are you squaring up over there?
I am getting ready to put in the electric box for the ceiling light or fan. Whatever we decide to go on.
Dad, can you show us what exactly that little thingamajig in your hand is for?
It is a fan and a light receptacle box with a special bar to hold the weight of a fan. And what it does is it distributes the weight out between it so it doesn't shake. It spans the inside of the studs.
Yeah, we'll show you.
It goes like this. You can mount the fan and light right to this. It distributes the weight between the two so you're putting weight on the ceiling and sends it to the beams, and that it takes the wobble and all that out of it, secures it properly.
Now again, keep in mind guys, all we were doing were gathering clips for an episode and we were going to be working the next day, but life happened. It was the winter. It was really cold in that back room, so unfortunately I didn't get any footage of him installing that box. Alright guys, and here is that junction box with that distributing bar going in. Now here's the wire that we're planning on running through. It's going to go all the way over here, and then when it drops down right there, it's going to go behind this wall. Up next, we're sealing those end caps at that back wall near the window. Alright guys, like I said, not much has changed, but Dad is currently taking spray foam and filling in the gaps because, perfect example, you don't want to drift with that nice little triangle there. It's not the prettiest, but it'll do. Alright guys, and that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching House Renovations Chapter 4, Episode 2.5. Now, I'm sorry that we took such a long time in between these videos, but the winter happened, life happened. 6 months is a lot for everything going on. You guys notice I got a new setup here. I'll explain that sometime later, but we're not going to be finishing the interior of the back room just yet. We got still some exterior work to do due to the winter, and we had to wait for certain things, but stay tuned. We also got a huge project coming up relatively soon. We're talking extremely soon, so stay tuned. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.